Hello, today I'm making pineapple fried rice. It's really easy, only a few ingredients. First of all, let's find a pineapple. Oh, I forgot to buy one. I have an idea. Maybe I can find on my phone. Fun one. Let's do this. Cut your pineapple in half. Just use one, save one you can use for another meal. With a very sharp knife, the small one, we can use a big one. Cut this part out. Let's see. Can do this part. Just be careful, don't cut your fingers. Usually you do on a cutting table, it's a little better. So cut your inside in little squares. 1, 2, 3, then in the middle. Then you can use a spoon or something, scoop out each one. Then we're gonna save this. Here are all the ingredients. Let's see what we have here. This is the pineapple. I chopped the little cubes from this little bowl I just made. Peanuts and peas, green onions, also some red bell pepper, chopped really small, and ham. Also celery. I use a Chinese celery, it's much smaller, but you can use any celery you want. I have another version, is a vegan version. You can just don't add ham or the eggs. Also eggs, 2 eggs here. And except the eggs and ham, you can add more carrots, chopped up carrots instead of ham, and cucumbers. That's what I like. It's so good. Let's get this party started. First step, we put some canola oil in. Cook the eggs first. 2 eggs until the oil is a little hot, and we put this in. Let's see. Starts smelling good. Look, the eggs become like a little pancake shape, but I'm gonna break this. Eggs. It's just so much fun just cooking eggs. Back. We are gonna save this, put it in the rice later. Add a little more oil. Toast the peanuts first. If you already got roasted peanuts, you don't have to do this step. After you roast the peanuts, just crush it on a chopping board. In the end, sprinkle on your rice. Add some texture. About half green onions, just half. Ham. Got the flavor, fragrance out. Yeah. And the celery. It's got these vegetables going. Bell pepper. This red pepper in. And now peas. Oh, look at the colors. Yeah. Look at the color here. Now, rice. Into the vegetables. I have so much rice. You don't have that much. I have a big family. Big family. So now we mix the vegetables and rice together. I usually add some cooking wine to add some salt. So the pineapple save all the juice in here and put in with the juice. Look at this color. Look at the amazing color here. Can't wait, I'm so hungry. Now, eggs. Don't burn your hair. Sometime, too close to the fire, burn my hair. Don't forget your soy sauce. Just 1 tablespoon. So good. Now it's the time to serve on your pineapple bowl. This in. Look at this. Topping with some you just roasted peanuts here. This is so delicious. This is so good. Let me just. See you next time.